Hello everyone, I'm really excited today. I got an early Christmas gift and we just had our first snowfall, major storm here in Vermont. It's December 18th, 2022, and I had a DJI Mini 3 Pro small drone. It's about 495 grams and I decided to upgrade to this baby. DJI Maverick Classic, Maverick 3. And I'm going to take it out for the first flight. I'm kind of nervous. This is a bigger drone, more to lose, but I'm going to be a careful pilot today. I'm going to be a careful pilot today.
To be sure.
So, let's get this baby up in the air and see what we can see. Don't forget to subscribe.
Okay.
There we go. You gotta unfold the front arms first on this because the rear arms won't fold past it. Still got some of the stickers here from shipping. Alright. Power on. Grab the controller. Power on. Booting up. Connected. Alright. So now it's got to obtain some satellites there. There we go. We got 10. Need some more here. 10 satellites are not great. 11. Here we go. I like to have at least 12 satellites. That gives you optimal satellites so it can know its position more precisely. Now I'm at 12. Okay, it has a strong GPS signal. Checklist, see if everything's functioning properly. Vision system and the obstacle avoidance is not working. It has 360 obstacle sensing, so on the sides, top, bottom, front, back, it'll sense objects and avoid them. Make sure my return to home altitude is good. 200 feet should be plenty. Okay, start recording. And let's take off.
Takeoff.
Just gonna hover a little bit. let it hover a little bit, and it'll take an image of where it takes off from, so it'll try to land in the same spot. Yeah. Let's see. Obstacle avoidance is working.